Hey everyone, welcome to Jesse's DIY Projects. Today I'm going to show you how I made this backlit neon style sign using a cheap picture frame and some RGB lights I found on the clearance rack. If you like budget friendly DIYs that actually look cool, hit that like button and let's get started. For this project, I got an 8.5 by 11 inch document picture frame that I picked up from Walmart. I chose this size because it's the standard size of your average printer paper. I also got this 16.5 foot RGB color changing USB power strip lights I found on the clearance rack for like $3 and some change. Some other things that you may need is some tape, scissors, construction paper of your preference, regular printer paper, an X-Acto knife, which is very sharp, so please be careful, and some type of board to tape down what you're trying to cut out. You can start by printing out a logo on a piece of paper or drawing something up yourself. I chose to draw mine free-handed. I got mine here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use black. So I want to take and put both of these together. I'm going to tape them down. Doesn't have to be perfect. Then I'm going to take and cut out all of these lines here. You want to start from the middle and work your way out. If you cut this out first, it's going to be much harder to cut the ones on the inside. The straighter that you can keep the line, the better. The better that finished product will look. Take your time and get it right. We're going to keep this section. I'm going to cut out this outer line. You can pull the tape back off. Now our image is complete. I'm going to set it to the side for now. I'm going to prepare the picture frame now. I'm going to start by taking the glass out. I'm going to set the glass on the floor to the side for now, till we're ready for it. And I chose this frame. These frames work really good because, as you can see, it's got the insides. The inside here will be where the lights go. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take and I'm going to cut out all this center stuff that I don't want. I want to keep this one, but I'm going to try to get rid of this. So that's what I'm going to do now. And I'm just using some wire strippers. My sign is going to hang like this, so I don't need this one. I'm going to try to cut that out. Alright, picture frame is prepared. Next, we're going to try to get these lights put up here. Remote control for the light. Power cable. Instructions and looks like some mounting clips we're not going to be using. Throw these lights on. Glass frame goes on this side here. And it's going to sit right against this section right here. You want to make sure everything is, behind that section. So you can see that I mounted the glass section right here. It still can sit there. Pulling back this paper. Go all the way around the whole picture frame. Now, if you look at these light kits, it depends on what style you get or where you got it from, what brand. They have these little copper pads here. What you want to do, you want to cut middle way that. That way, if you ever want to rejoin them, or you can use the light, you can save the lights. What you don't use here, your leftovers. Just want to roll it back up, and you can use them for a future project. trim. Put this in. That's for YouTube symbol. For this, I'm going to use some Scotch tape to hold it down. Won't see it through when it's finished. Make sure it's flat with the glass. Now what I also recommend doing, taking some white printer paper, putting on the back side, and I'm going to take some tape and tape it right here to it. Try to make it where it can't be seen. And put one more piece right here in this corner. Just to hold that corner down right there. I'm going to turn the overhead light off. As you can see, it's got a nice neon glow. This backlit box neon sign is easy and simple to make, as I just showed you. Anyone can do this. Just take a little patience and time, and you can have something that looks just like this.